In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We'll build a simple n8n workflow that turns HTML into a polished PDF and saves it to your machine, perfect for reports, invoices, or any auto-generated document. We begin with the manual trigger node. This is your on-demand start button while you build or test. Click Test Workflow in n8n, and the execution kicks off immediately. No waiting for a webhook or schedule. It's great for rapid iteration because you can run, tweak, and run again in seconds. Next comes Create HTML. In n8n, this is done with a set node that stores a complete HTML document in a field, often named data. Think of it as writing the whole page right inside the workflow. A title in the head, a clear heading, some paragraph text, sections for your content, and a small footer. Because the HTML is created dynamically, you don't have to upload a file. You can even blend in variables, dates, or values from earlier nodes to make each document unique. A quick tip: keep your HTML clean and well-structured so the converter can render it consistently. Now we need to prepare that HTML for sending. The Convert HTML to File node takes the text you just created, turns it into a file, and encodes it as binary data. n8n expects files in binary format whenever they're sent to external services, so this step is essential. Give the file a sensible name and confirm the HTML field is mapped correctly. If the wrong field is selected, you'll end up with an empty or broken file downstream. With the file ready, we move to Convert File to PDF. Here, an HTTP request sends the HTML file to a PDF conversion service. The service receives the upload, processes the markup, and returns a binary PDF. Make sure the request attaches the binary file from the previous node and that the response is handled as a file so the PDF is preserved perfectly. Finally, we save the result with Write Result File to disk. This node receives the returned PDF and writes it to your system as document.pdf. Choose a valid path and ensure the n8n process has permission to write there. When the run finishes, you'll have a real downloadable PDF produced end-to-end by the workflow. Click Test Workflow to see it in action, and you'll have a reliable foundation you can adapt for reports, contracts, invoices, and more.